Welcome to session 2. In session 2, we'll do frequency test for gender, followed by saving options in both SPSS and Word document. Previously, I prepared a data file and saved to desktop by test1.sab file. Remember, your SPSS data file will always save by SAB. Okay, let's begin. From my desktop, I'm opening text1 SAB file that I previously saved. Okay, this is the file I'm opening. File opened over here. I put 30 respondents information over here. Remember, while doing SPSS test, at least you need to have 30 respondents data. So you can see here that I kept 30 respondents information on the variables of serial number, participant's name, gender, age group, income group. So as I discussed that we'll do test based on gender and we'll see the frequency, that how much percentage of males and females in our study. For that, you need to go to analyze option, which you can see on top. First one is file, second one is edit, third one is view, fourth one is data, followed by transform, then analyze, and other modules. So go to analyze, click analyze, then first one is reports, then second one is descriptive statistics. So just move to descriptive statistics. Then in the sidebar you can see frequencies, descriptives, explore, crosstabs, ratio, pp plots, qq plots. So now our interest is to know the frequency of gender. So I will just go to frequencies, then I will click. When I clicked, one dialog box appeared here. So what it is? It shows that which frequency you are interested to test. And you can see here the variable box is empty. So you need to put your variable as per your study interest. So today our interest is to know the frequency of gender. So here I can see all the categories, all of my respondents information. So I will move now to gender of the respondent. Okay, I'll just click here, then arrow button is here. I'm clicking over here. Now it has appeared over here. So here you can see the other options, the statistics, mean, median. So mean is average. Okay, you can keep mean, but here for gender We are not interested to see mean, median, mode, sum. That you will use as per your study data, as per your interest to know about other statistical measures. Okay, I am cancelling over here. I'm not interested to keep all these things. Then charts. So are you interested? So if you are interested, you can keep charts. Okay, I want to see the pie charts. Okay, I'm clipping pie charts. You can continue. Then format bootstrap. These are not necessary. Now the important thing is there. You need to always tick display frequency tables. By default it will be checked. If it is not checked, then you please click over here. Very important thing is here, downside. So you can see 5 options over here. First one is OK, second one is paste, then third reset, cancel, help. You can save your data with paste option only. With OK option, you can see the frequency table, but you are not able to save this in SPSS. But with the option of paste, you can save, as well as in future you can use this for your further reference, that how you did all the procedures, all the statistical procedures. So I always prefer paste option, and I would like to tell you that you also always choose paste option. Now go to paste option, click over here. You can see one window has appeared, which is showing something very interesting. That dataset activate, frequencies, variable gender, pie chart. We clicked pie chart previously, that we were interested to see the pie chart. Then order of the analysis. Then dataset activate and frequencies is written over here. So now what you need to do, you go to save button over here, save this document. Yes, so that dialog box appeared. Where you want to save? I want to save in my desktop. Then file name, I'll keep gender frequency, and save as type syntax. So when we save data, that will be saved with SAV document, and when we will save the analysis, that analysis will always save in syntax form. Okay, now I'm going to save this analysis window in my desktop by file name, gender, frequency. I'm saving over here. Saved. It has saved automatically. Now I will show you the key things. So here you can see how to operate. Here you can see a green arrow button. You click green arrow button, it is showing that some error has happened. Okay, no issue. I'll close now. Yes, no, cancel, no. Okay, I cancel everything because it has saved. Okay. Now I'll go to gender frequency. I'll open gender frequency. Now I will go to file, open. I need to open my data, otherwise it won't activate. So I'll go to data, I'll click over here. Then previously I saved in desktop by test1 SAV. I'll click over here, open. Now my dataset is activated. Now I'll do the test. I'll go to green button and click. So before clicking, I will tell you, you need to go to analyze option, the last point, then it will activate. Previously, I didn't use that option, so I have to go analysis dot, and thereafter I'll put my cursor and I will click here, and you can see your frequency table and your pie chart. Now I'm interested to save this frequency table in MS Word document. So I'll just double click here. Sorry. I'll just click here, not double click. One click is okay. Then I will copy that one. I will copy. Just copy it. I'll close everything. Yes, no, cancel, no. Yes, I cancel everything. I'll open a new Word document. Data, file name I mentioned. I will open this and I will paste. Gender of the respondent. I'll mention table. Okay. Frequency percentage will keep, and these two things are not necessary. We can remove, no issues. We can remove, we can middle, and you can set as per your wish. So this is all about how to do frequency table. So I'm making something here that is percentage. Then I'll put percentage symbol, and you can design with that. You can design your table. So after SPSS session, I will teach you how to design, decorate your SPSS table. Thank you.